Good morning, guys. Another day, another wedding for me. This is again video about wedding decoration. Just picked up the flowers. Not everything I was able to fit in my car, so they gotta deliver. The colors are more white and green and some burgundy colors. So because I couldn't fit all the flowers in my car, they just delivered some flowers to me. Let's see. Whoa! Oh wow! Look at that! Roses, roses, lots of roses. So yeah, got lots of flowers. Now I have to start cleaning them up. So guys, I got very excited and I started working without even thinking about recording. I just stopped because I remember finally. So I started cleaning the flowers right here. Well, I have much more. And I started on making the arches for the aisle. So what we have in the plan, let me show you guys. Let me show you some pictures that we so this is the aisle and we have 4 arches like that, square. These branches and roses, and the arches we made of PVC pipe. Later I'll show you how we put it together. So we took a PVC pipe for landscaping, and my niece painted them, cut them the size we want. And what I did, I just attached branches to make it like a plant growing on an arch. When we get to the church, I'm gonna add more of greenery, and then I'm gonna add some white roses. The idea of making arches like this over the aisle to make look like it's a entry to the garden. So for now I'm cleaning flowers, doing arches. I will show you in details how I do the arch. I mean, it's very simple. I just take 4 or 5 branches and wrap it around with a zip tie. Very simple. Alright guys, I'm in the church now and I'm just unpacking my car, so we'll go from there when I unpack. Alright guys, let me show you what we did yesterday. Since we was in a hurry, I did not do much recording and I did not give you like an update type of thing. So we made those frames out of pipes. Very simple to do, something that anyone can do. No glue, just landscaping pipes, plumbing pipes, I would say, right? We paint them in black. There's those connectors, and it connects like this. And there's 2 pipes right here. So we made the frames, decorate them with the greenery. So this is the, I have to adjust a little bit. This is, okay, yes. This is the centerpieces. I'm sorry, this is the flower arrangement. I couldn't say centerpiece. So here I have to do some more, and then I'm gonna attach white roses in it. There's a second box like that. We're not sure about this, so I'm not actually yet gonna show you the skirt because we're not sure if we're gonna do this or we're gonna change something. So it's black and white and burgundy, and here's my centerpieces that I did. So yes, I have lots of work. I still have to do all the way white flowers on those greenery frames right there, and white flowers here. And then we have to do more decoration in the ceremony area. So right now I'm just wrapping the poles. That's the arch. That's the leg from the arch. So I'm wrapping up any wings. Hey guys, so this is the day of actual wedding, and the funny story, yesterday when I was decorating I did not realize my phone died, so I missed a lot of the process of decorating to show you. So we're going to church right now, and I'm just gonna show you the final look. And I'll see you guys inside of the church. So guys, here we go. This is the final look that you're gonna see. So we got centerpieces. We got the sweets table here. So good. Here we go. We made the frame with the flowers, and that's a sweet cake table. And then we go here. All those frames right there, made out of pipe. Right there. Let me walk away for you guys so you can see. And there's more sweets table over there, and that's gonna be buffet table. The food is cooking.